Alright, where are we today?
Today we're at Sapphire Falls.
And we're also going to get our hotel and see what it looks like.
Yep, we're going to show you all the benefits of staying here.
Yeah, and hopefully the pool.
Today we're going to show you the resort called Sapphire Falls, which is right next to Universal Orlando, and it's right across from the Royal Pacific. Both are Loews hotels. It does have a free water taxi that takes you to CityWalk. There's a shuttle bus or even a walkway just to walk to the parks. We will also briefly show some of the restaurants, the gift shop, the pool, arcade, and the gym. This view is from the lobby. When you walk in, you can actually see Dr. Doom, the Hulk, and Rip Ride Rocket, as well as the lighthouse. But if you book a room and you select Lagoon View, this is the view you're also going to have from these windows here. Alright, so this is the lobby. We're going to go find our room. Are you guys ready? Let's go see where 1616 is located. We got a pool view room, and we're gonna go check out the store afterward.
Look at the pool.
There it is.
But that's huge. Look, there's duckies in it too. Level 2 pool. We'll come right now. Just walk down the stairs.
Okay.
The game zone. Calypso game zone.
That's huge.
Would you look at that?
Oh.
Okay, Daddy's excited.
I can see where.
Yeah, drum club.
Legoland.
Yeah, see over there I can see Lego. I cannot wait to see what our room looks like. 1611.
Right here.
Whoa! It looks the same.
Is the Hard Rock?
Yeah, I'm sure they're all relatively the same.
Look, it's on. Where's the safe?
It's quaint.
We have a safe.
Probably.
Keurig.
This.
Okay, good.
So they have that with green tea, decaf coffee. Who wants that? And then French roast. That's what we'll be
I
drinking.
have it. Where's our safe? There.
It's a magic chef?
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
We brought some waters. Definitely bring waters with you if
Yeah, to save money.
you want to save some money.
They're $4 a bottle, so you might as
There's
well
no safe.
buy a whole case of 24 for.
Right there. You want to show?
No, we're keeping these.
You want to show the bathroom?
Give me this. But it doesn't matter what it's saying.
I want to put it in the safe.
Oh wow, there it is.
There's a shower here.
Whoa, very nice.
Shower nice.
Yeah, I actually like it. It's got a little sit-down place too.
There's a toilet.
A toilet, yay!
Oh, at least there's a toilet.
Oh, cool. You touch it in the light. That's cool.
There's the safe. Pumpkin, I found the safe.
Oh, what are we gonna hide in there? Money?
Look.
Gold coins? Booty?
She went to
Booty.
iron.
Iron.
Comforter. Looks like a hairdryer over there. If you need to iron, you can use your ironing board here.
It does seem a bit smaller than Hard Rock, I think. But it's still a nice room.
This is a great room. It's clean. That's the thing. It's clean. It's colorful.
This is gonna be my
When you think of
bed.
Sapphire Falls, it seems like Sapphire Falls.
Yep.
Look, I can see.
I like our view.
I like our
Oh
view,
yeah, you're right. We can't see Harry Potter Hogwarts.
too. There's Hogwarts.
I saw it.
And you can see the top of Velocicoaster.
Really?
Yeah, I can see it right here. Right through this little clearing. There's like trees here.
I don't see it.
You can see the top of it.
I can see Dr. Doom a little bit. Since there was lightning close by, we could not go in the pool yet, but it was nice to keep an eye out from our room when the lifeguards came back out. The room was perfect. It's small, but you aren't in your room a whole lot typically. And with this resort, you don't get express in your stay, but you do get early park admission. So I'll briefly show that benefit. Early park admission is for most hotel guests. You get to go inside the park an hour early, and there are usually 2 of the most popular rides running. Now, Hagrid's usually runs early park admission on the busiest times, but you can still get in line if it's not running during early park admission. We did a video showing the crowds that early at Islands of Adventure, and we will be doing a video soon on the Universal Studios side with Diagon Alley. It's even great just to get inside of Hogsmeade when there's not a lot of people and actually explore, maybe take some fun pictures, or take advantage of the short waits there. We're gonna go eat at the Strong Water Tavern. This will be our first time eating here. They also have one other restaurant, but the tavern looked like better options for us. I'm just going to briefly show the Strong Water Tavern menu. You can pull it up online, but it's a Spanish cuisine, and the waitress recommends usually people get 2 different tapas, 2 different small entrees, and we also try a dessert that we take to the room. And then the other restaurant is this Amatista Cookhouse. It has paella, curry, rotisserie chicken. I'm sure the food is amazing. I just didn't think it was something the kids would really be interested in. Maybe we'll try it next time. And they had some desserts as well there. So we got the cheeseburger and fries. This is the kids menu. I already put the other menu up, so we're gonna show you what we get here in a minute, but it's got a good view of Dr. Doom, the Hulk, and Rip Ride Rocket, and you can see Toothsomes and the Islands of Adventure lighthouse. So I really do like the view from this hotel.
That cheeseburger looks awesome.
And fries and yeah.
All right, grab down, guys.
Those are good.
Tastes
I mean,
classic.
a kid's meal that has that good of a hamburger, I mean, I would want that.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste classic,
You can tell
but I like it.
the bun is nice and toasted. It's real beef, and it's like good flavor. I mean, it's really good. I might have another bite.
I like the french fries.
I had got the Caribbean jerk chicken. Get a little bit spicy, I'm hoping. The pork belly tacos. It's got all kinds of good stuff on it. My goodness, look at that. Yeah, the grilled octopus, that's right. I'm actually anxious to try that one myself. Oh yeah, it's a tostada. Seafood tostada. I'm very anxious to try these.
Pork belly tacos is a lot of cilantro for me, and it's spicy, but for those who like spicy and cilantro, you're gonna love that. I do like this coconut rice. That's probably the best thing on that plate. And then the octopus is good. It's a little spicy, but it's good. My favorite, I think, is the tostada. It's actually cool. So that's my favorite.
Alright, I really enjoyed these. Well, I'm enjoying, I'm still in the middle of it. Pork belly tacos, the cilantro. If you're a cilantro lover like I am, you'll absolutely love these. And this one, the jerk chicken, I haven't yet to try the jerk chicken. Coconut rice, it's really good. I mean, the coconut flavor is awesome. Okay, I tried a bite of the octopus. Okay, it's my very first time ever having it. It's actually good. I don't know, it's something different. It was different for me. I actually liked it. I think it's one of those acquired tastes where I gotta try it again. More of a texture thing for me, I think. Tostada, I liked it. It surprised me because it's a cold dish. I bit into it thinking it was gonna be warm, and it kind of shocked me for a second, and I really enjoy it. It's actually really good. It's got a good flavor to it. The scallops are just nice and tender.
Okay, Chef Rick, what do you think of the jerk chicken?
I love it. That's probably some of the most tender chicken I've ever had in my life. So,
Very tender.
I'd suggest that. I highly suggest this.
Yeah, and I like the middle part. It isn't too spicy, so it's got a good flavor, nice and juicy.
It is. My goodness.
So everything here is pretty good. Okay, we got the banana pudding. Dessert has ice cream on the side. If you can see, this is like tiny, and this thing is huge. It's really, yeah, this thing is massive.
Okay, yeah.
The size of a hand.
Yeah, and then this is the
Like a
chocolate.
I have a fork. Oh gosh, that is so good.
Try the ice cream.
All right, go ahead.
Mmm.
Does it taste like
This looks like
alcohol?
an egg. Looks like powder.
You're not gonna like it.
What?
Is that spicy?
Oh, Daddy's being ridiculous. I can't believe how massive that Trace Light Chase is compared to the other one. That chocolate's tiny.
Must be their signature one. Yeah, this is really good.
So I guess this is
Dad,
the
that
dessert
ice
to
cream
get.
is so good. This is the winner.
What's the winner?
The ice cream is so good.
Okay, now I'm gonna
Wait,
try.
you gotta get into the cake. Get the cake.
Oh my god, that is so good. It tastes like pumpkin pie.
The banana bread. It's nice and warm. It tastes like banana bread.
So good.
It tastes like straight up warm banana bread.
It is banana bread. That's so good.
Oh, it does taste like rum. Buddy. Yeah, don't eat that. It's more for adult tastes. You can taste the rum, so the kids, yeah. More for mom and daddy.
The rum tastes like birthday cake.
Okay.
Raspberry.
Yeah. It almost reminds me of like a better quality, but it's like one of those Debbie cakes kind of.
It's okay.
A zinger or something, but like better.
Trace is the best.
Yeah, I think the Trace Lacious is the winner. Alright, so this is definitely something I would 100% get. Even if you don't go to eat there, just go and get this.
That, yeah.
2, 3 people, yeah, this thing is just huge and delicious. I'm just gonna do a quick overview of this store. And it looks like a lot of the stuff you can see in the parks. So Harry Potter section over here.
I didn't see anything really special in this shop, just kind of a combination of all the shops in the park. So if you want to do shopping, I would recommend going to CityWalk. Just take the water taxi and it'll take you right to CityWalk. There's a bunch of shops to look at there. I don't know why Universal doesn't have special hotel merch. I didn't really see anything specific to Sapphire Falls, or even when we stayed at the Loews Royal Pacific. Now Hard Rock does have special stuff, but that's Hard Rock, they're a little different. So I didn't notice anything special here. If you do need anything kind of random, like some sunscreen, anything like that, bathing suits, they had that, which was nice and convenient. But if you're looking for something special, I would recommend looking through the park or, like I said, CityWalk. Now we are briefly going to show the pool. You can get a towel over here when you first walk down, and then there are some life jackets. My kids prefer to wear them. They aren't as strong as swimmers, but if your little ones are strong swimmers, then they don't need them. They do need them for the slide if they are under 48 inches. And the pools are heated, which is really nice. We've been to this pool, the Royal Pacific, and Hard Rock pool. I think this is our favorite pool so far, but we hope to explore more. There were even little ducks that came and swam when people weren't around, but then they left when people started coming to the pool.
They're cute. Oh, look. They're getting out.
I'm swimming slow.
Good job, buddy.
I can walk and jump. Look at me.
Good job.
Look at me.
There's a path for the slide right next to the lifeguards. You just go up the ramp, and the slide is pretty long. And like I said, you'll need a life jacket if they're under 48 inches. You can get a good view from up top here.
Wait, are you gonna go too?
Yeah, we're all gonna go. Are you excited, buddy?
Where can we go together?
Oh, look at that fire pit over there.
Ooh, Daddy saw a spa. That was so fun.
Was that so fun?
Yeah, that was so funny. I want to do that again.
Okay, we'll do it again. Let's wait for Pumpkin. There she is. Good job. Good job. You did good. That was fun. All right, come on.
Let me do it again.
Okay.
Me too.
All right, let's go.
That was fun.
See Daddy. Is that fun?
In the center of the pool, you can walk right across over to the fire pit and the hot tub. There's also a bar right next to the fire pit, but it's a really nice area just to relax and have some quiet time. I like the hot tub. The hot?
So you sit over here next to mom and daddy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And then this is the gym. I just kind of slowly walk by. There's pinball tables, and next is the arcade. It's a small arcade, just like any normal hotel would have, maybe 20 games or so. They have a claw machine, a couple of racing type games, Jurassic Park shooting game, basketball, one of those virtual reality roller coaster ones.
Okay, so this is 6 credits here. 40. This isn't bad. Let me see what the other credits are. Dude, that's 18.
How much is the Jurassic Park one?
That's 8 credits.
And the last spot to show inside the hotel is a little market that they have. They've got some salads, to-go items, fruit, some drinks for the kids or alcohol for adults. And then they had some gelato as well. Waffles, smoothies, and some hot items. Looks like some sort of bread, mac and cheese, and veggies. Chicken, but to be honest, I don't know if we went on an off day, but they were just out of a lot of stuff.
Good, but oh my gosh, I don't think I can eat with this. This is a tiny spoon.
Yeah, this looks good. It's like the little cup you get too.
Maybe they shrunk it.
And the last thing for the evening, we're going to show the path to get to the water taxi. It's very simple, and the water taxi only takes about 5 minutes to CityWalk.
All right, it's coming. I like the little water taxis that they have at the different resorts. It's really nice. To CityWalk.
Oh yeah.
Go in the back.
I'm gonna go all the way back too.
Double check the hours of the water taxi because it can run from anywhere from until midnight to 2 a.m. So it just varies on the hours of the parks and CityWalk. Right here where this plane is where Royal Pacific is. So I will show the water taxi as well and all the benefits of staying at that resort next. That'll be up on Sunday. The times we've taken the water taxi, there hasn't been a lot of people. If you go as soon as the park is open or closed, it may be busier and you may just want to walk, but the times that we've taken it, there's hardly been anybody on. So Sapphire Falls is a really nice resort. We really did enjoy ourselves. The only con is it does not have the express passes with it like 3 of the other Loews resorts, but the early park admission is nice and it is cheaper than the other parks that are the other hotels that have express. We also have a video touring CityWalk with some shops, restaurants, and there is a movie theater as well as mini golf, so there is quite a bit to do over here. It's smaller than Disney Springs, but it's still fun to do for a couple of hours. And as you can see here, the water taxis go to Sapphire Falls, Royal Pacific, Hard Rock, and Portofino Bay. And if you have any questions about Universal Orlando, let us know in the comments or message us on Instagram.
Stay up and kiss the star for more videos. Get your chance, subscribe.